Right, but make it part of if you wobble, make it part of the dance. So just make it look like you're styling. It won't matter. You dance. It'll be fine. One thing that can help with the balance portion is I'm guessing you're repeating the turn multiple times and then getting dizzy. It's not just the first one. So I have a trick for you. My favorite trick if you're getting dizzy is if you've spun. For me personally, I prefer after two 360s, so after 720, I'll just turn the other way one time. And what ends up happening, or maybe two if necessary, what ends up happening is I think the reason that you get dizzy is because the fluid in your cochlea is whirring the one way, and by turning the other way, I think you balance it out. So if you just turn the other way, I think it undoes the. I think it does undo that. So that might help. I do not spot. I find that spotting hurts my neck. And then the other challenge with spotting is when you're using fire, spotting, or even LED in the dark, spotting can be very difficult because you're trying to focus on a point in space, but the lighting keeps changing if you're poi or passing the line of sight. So you have to refocus. And so for me, that was problematic. But also, I hurt my neck when I turn for whatever reason. So I just don't spot. I just sort of go with the flow, which is the game.